Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through initial app setup for the iRobot Roomba 105. If you're interested in the 105, the link to purchase and check it out is in the video description. So, first things first, iOS, Android devices, search your app store for the iRobot Home app. Now keep in mind, you should see two app options populating. The first one's going to say like iRobot Home Classic. That's for older Roomba models. 600 series, I series, J series, S Roombas, all of that. So you want to download the new one released 2025, I believe, or maybe end of 2024. Should just say like iRobot Home, right? So not the classic version. Get that downloaded. If you already have the classic one and you're upgrading from a previous product, you should be able to sign in to the new app as well, and you can view your old devices. Now keep in mind, you're looking at our app right here. Some of these older models, like the Combo 10 Max, the J9, can only be controlled from the classic iRobot Home app. So you can still see them here, but you'll manage and control them from the other app. Anyways, once we're in here, if you have other devices, great, you can see those. If not, go to the very bottom. There should be an add a new robot option. So we're going to select that. It's going to search for nearby products. So it's scanning. Hopefully it finds the 105 right here. Here it is. So we have, where'd it go? The Roomba 100 series. So that's going to be the one that we're going to add. Looks like there's a way to scan the QR code too if you want, or set up manually. But since it found ours, we're going to select add that robot. We need to connect to our Wi-Fi. Please note the 105 series only support 2.5 gigahertz Wi-Fi networks, which is what we're using. So we'll select yes, continue. Now we need to enter our password. Once you have the password entered, go ahead, select done, and it's going to continue setting up here. We got a chime. We need to press our robot's power button to connect. So we just pressed it. Now it's working on connecting. We got 3 more steps right here. It's going very quickly. Good chimes to see. Connecting to Wi-Fi, verifying password, then it'll establish the cloud connection. All right, got another chime. Checked the second one off the list. Password verified. Lastly, establish that cloud connection. All right, there we go. Super simple. Less than 2 minutes into that whole process so far, for those wondering. We're going to name it Roomba 105. Save. Welcome to the world, Roomba 105. So they walk you through how to wake up your robot. So, software update. Keep in mind, this could take up to 30 minutes. If it's like the 405, that was true. Took closer to like an hour, which is crazy. So now go ahead, make sure you have it positioned if you're ready at the right time to do this update. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to let it update and we'll come back once it's finished. So start update, updates in progress. Okay, it had trouble updating. Okay, let's make sure it's on the dock and we'll do that again. Okay, it says the robot software is updating. All right, I don't know. I just clicked through the app. It says it's updated. We'll select continue. We'll see if that's true. Okay, went back out in the app. It says the software is still updating. Could take 20 minutes. If it takes longer, reboot the Roomba. Tell me more. We can learn more about this right here. Top right hand corner, we can actually go into our About Roomba here and we can see software. So it's interesting that it says that it's updated. That's not true. So just to try to get everything fresh, I exited out of the app. On the home screen here, view robot details. Takes us back to that same screen. So I'm looking at the Roomba right now. It is, the lights are flashing. So I still believe it is updating and we will check back on it in a little while. We'll give it some time, let it do its thing, come back in 20 minutes and see where we're at.